Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if contact is backed up to iCloud. So if you want to check if any of your contacts has been saved or backed up to your iCloud, let me show you how to check them. So open the phone app on your iPhone, and you need to click on Contacts right here. So just click on any of your contacts, and once you click on it, scroll down, and you're going to see linked contacts. So as you can see, my own has been linked to my iCloud successfully. So you can just check this for any contact on your phone. So if you notice that your contact has not been linked with your iCloud, just go about to your settings. Once you open settings, click on your Apple ID at the top right here, and you need to click on iCloud. Once you click on iCloud, click on Show All. Once you click on Show All, you're going to see contacts, so make sure this contact is enabled. It's going to back up your contact to your iCloud. You found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, more amazing videos like this.